guys, Mike from Madness Autoworks here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install a new steering wheel on your Jeep JL or JT. Always remember, whenever you're working with your airbag, you're going to want to disconnect the battery because any sudden changes in voltage or anything like that can trip the battery. So we're going to go ahead and pull our negative terminal here, and I'm going to put a rag in here to separate it. So first, you're going to want to remove the airbag, and to do that, you're going to pop off the two plastic covers on either side of the airbag, and there's going to be a 10mm bolt just behind that. Once the airbag is free, you're going to want to pull out on the tabs on all three of these connections. You can get under there with a flathead or something small, but do be gentle. Once all these are free, there's going to be a clip that you're going to want to free. The last thing you're going to want to do is remove this connection right here. Airbag has been removed. You're going to remove this last clip in here. I'm going to go ahead and pinch it and pull. Now all you have to do is remove the 24mm. Not all the way, but loose. Right about there, and now you're going to give the steering wheel a good, and you can pull it all the way off. Now that you have your OEM steering wheel out, you're going to want to go ahead and transfer anything that needs to be transferred. In our case, it's just going to be the weight inside of the wheel. And now we can put it in our car. Alright, now we're going to want to go ahead and feed the airbag wires back through. And go ahead and place the steering wheel and our 24mm nut. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put our airbag back in. And now we can go ahead and put our 10mm back in. Now you can go ahead and reinstall your plastic caps. And your steering wheel is installed. Although the steering wheel we just installed in our Jeep does look fantastic, we opted to have this one made specifically for ours. It has a yoke style top, just like our Alfa Romeo. It's got some green stitching to complement our Jeep, and then we went with F1 style, so it's got the kind of straighter sides, straighter bottom. You can get yours outfitted like this. You can do Alcantara, you can do round top, flat top, yoke, rounded bottom, flat bottom, and you can also do the edged sides like this as well. We're gonna go ahead and throw this one in now. And with it now installed, let's take it to the road and see how it feels and performs. So right out the gate, being that we went with a yoke style, it seems a little funky in a Jeep, but the feel is there. It feels good. It fits your hands quite nicely. A lot of natural resting places. Yeah, it gives you a super sporty feel. It's thick. It just feels really good in the hands. We went with the perforated leather, and it feels really nice. I suspect the Alcantara feels very similar in quality. Once you get used to, and we had time to get used to it with our Alpha, but once you get used to it in terms of having the yoke style, not having this top here, actually it is second nature. It's just like driving any other car. Your grab points just change a little bit. But all in all, it feels really good. The quality is very high. Everything, the fitment on this steering wheel looks almost factory. Granted, they didn't make carbon steering wheels like this, but it's a very good experience here. And that's how you install a steering wheel in your Jeep JL or JT. If you guys have any questions, visit our website, give us a call, or visit any of our 2 in-store locations. As always, thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.